Weirdest laws in the US Part 4. Did you know that until 2016 Colorado could treat catching rain off your roof like theft? The water landing on your house was already promised to a stranger who has never seen your property and never will. Colorado runs on prior appropriation, meaning whoever claimed the water first outranks everyone forever. Rain that eventually reaches a river was already spoken for by farmers and irrigation districts who filed their claims a century before you were born, so a barrel under your gutter was intercepting somebody else's property. Garden stores sold the barrels anyway and nobody was kicking doors down. The state finally changed the rules in 2016 and let homeowners keep a limited amount for outdoor use, which sounds like the end of the story. Before I tell you what's buried in that bill, follow for more legal stories that stop making sense the closer you read them. Collecting the rain gives you no ownership of it, so if somebody with older rights proves your barrels are hurting them, the state can still come shut you off.